In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify domains on Brevo, a crucial task for ensuring that your emails reach your recipients without any hitches. Verifying your domain essentially tells email providers that you're a trusted sender, which improves deliverability and reduces the chance of your messages landing in the spam folder. So, let's dive in seamlessly and explore this process together. To kick things off, you'll want to start by logging into your Brevo account. Once you're in, navigate to the Sender's IP section, accessible through the left-hand menu. This is the area where you'll manage all your domains and sender information. Under this section, you'll find a tab labeled Domains. Go ahead and click on it. This tab will list all the domains you've previously added and verified, if there are any. To verify a new domain, locate the button that says Add Domain. Clicking this button opens up a window where you can enter your domain name. Type in the domain that you wish to verify and proceed by clicking the Save button. Once your domain is successfully added, Brevo will provide you with a set of DNS records. Now, this might sound a bit technical, but it's just a series of instructions that you'll need to add to your domain's DNS settings. Don't worry, I'll guide you through it. Typically, these instructions will include a TXT record and possibly a Dkim record, which helps to provide verification and is essential for enhancing your domain's reputation. Next, you'll want to hop over to your domain's hosting provider. Log into your account there and find the DNS management page. This area might be labeled differently depending on your provider, but often includes terms like DNS settings or manage DNS. Once you locate it, you're ready to enter the provided records. Start by adding a new DNS entry by looking for an option that says Add a New Record. From here, you'll choose the type of record you're adding. Go back to the Brevo instructions and enter the TXT record details as provided. Ensure that you copy and paste accurately to avoid any errors. Repeat this process for the Dkim record if one was provided. Adding these records correctly is key to establishing your domain's credibility. After you've added these records, it might take some time for the changes to propagate. Most of the time, it could be instant, or it might take up to 48 hours, depending on your hosting provider. Patience is crucial here, as this part of the process happens behind the scenes. Once you've given it enough time, return to Brevo and head back to the Domains tab. Here, you'll see an option to verify the domain. When you click Verify, Brevo checks for the records you added earlier. When everything is set correctly, the domain will be verified. And that's it! You've successfully verified your domain on Brevo. Now you'll enjoy enhanced deliverability and a better email reputation. Be sure to subscribe for more helpful guides like this one.